Let's take a look at Mara, Marathon Digital. Mara is a mining operation. They mine Bitcoin blocks, and there is a halving event. The amount of rewards that get issued to miners like Mara will go down by exactly half around the 16th to 20th of April, the block halving. Okay, so it looks like the price is setting up pretty bullish. And we've got here a potential break of resistance happening, which kind of looks a little bit like some kind of it looks a little bit like some sort of cup and shoulder formation, cup and handle. So that looks pretty bullish. You can also draw it as this kind of cup and handle, which is also pretty good. What does that actually mean? The measured move type of action from that could see it go up to around the 40. If we do a FEB swing from, let's take this low to, high to low. From here, let's do this as a swing, and that also gets us somewhere around there. If we take the larger swing, definitely gets us closer to that measured move target. Maybe, if it's a particularly big move here and pushes past, we might hit resistance here, pull back, and then we'll see if there's enough juice left to go up to the 42. So that's what I'm watching out for. That's what I'm in as a trade. So full disclosure on that. But it's looking pretty good. On a higher time scale, we did get all the way up here. So we could really, if we start to think that we could at least get 50% of this wick filled, then there's plenty of upside left in this market, and there's even bigger swings long term. So if we are aiming for this high, what does that look like from where we are? That's a pretty big return, and then really if it's going to hit this, it should go a bit higher. So that's for the future. Could happen in a year, 2 years, 5 years, not sure, but this is looking pretty good now. This is a trading range, and we're now trying to get back into at least the mid-range. Let's put on our algos here, range algo. On a weekly range, let's change that actually. Let's see how much price history we've got. Let's go for a month. We've got a month's worth? Yeah, we do. Okay, so the mid-range is quite far away actually, which is great. So let's do this from where we are. This is the resistance that we've been seeing. The mid-range is 300%, not bad. So definitely worth paying attention to. So this level here has definitely caused a speed bump. So got to it, pulled back, and now we're testing it again. So if we break that, then it's level by level. And so actually 44 looks like an interesting level. We may not get there, but that looks pretty good, which kind of aligns with the swings here on the lower time frames. So let's have a look at what the price action algos were doing. Definitely got some on a 4-hour basis. Yeah, definitely, even all the way up to the daily. Yeah, so we've got some pretty good volume momentum going on all the way. Okay, on the 2-day timescale, we're not even yet up into the kind of upper quadrant, which is great. Let's just remove this for a bit. So looks like we're still building, trying to build momentum. So this is looking great. So short-term basis, aiming for, obviously this is a bit of resistance from the most recent kind of push up and pull back, which created that cup and handle. So yeah, these are the levels to watch now. 31, 32. If we can clear this, 31, 32 is going to be an interesting level. So it could go up there, pull back, and then try a bit higher, and then keep going. I'm going to keep an eye on this actually. So I might post again about this one because we're definitely in the trade. All right.